So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by DMCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now guys, I will be showcasing to you the 2-bedroom unit of the Kalaya Heights in Cebu City. So currently, this is the showroom. Located siya sa Cebu City. And if you're going to ask me kung saan siya, pwede nyo akong kontakin. So what we will be showing to you is the 2-bedroom, which is a 60 square meters. So what will you see here? So yung kitchen natin, yan, makikita natin dito sa side na to. And we have our dining set na nakalagay dito sa side na to. Plus, we have the living space na makikita natin kung saan nakalagay mga entertainment room natin. Plus, we also have the common toilet and bath. Plus, guys, meron pala tayong provision for the washing machine. And once we enter, makikita naman natin ang ating bedroom 2. So yung bedroom 2 natin, makikita na natin is sliding door siya. So yung mga recent projects natin, yung standard door siya, ngayon sliding door na siya. Para maganda at mas maximize ng space. Plus yung master's bedroom natin or yung bedroom 1, so makikita naman natin dito na napaka-spacious ng bedroom 1 natin. So, ayun nga guys, I will show you yung pinaka full details nung 2-bedroom na meron tayo dito. And guys, marami pa tayong available units here. So, kung meron pa kayong mga questions, if you want to have a Zoom meeting, especially if you're outside the country, so, mapapanood yung aking video. And we could also do a Zoom meeting para at least ma-discuss natin yung mga further details for this project. So again guys, maraming salamat and have a great day ahead and God bless.